Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is Design and Implementation of the PIFA Antenna for the Communication. And abstract is in this project a single element, a board planar inverter F antenna with application of the WLAN and LTE bands is presented, and the PIFA antenna is designed. It is relatively straightforward, low profile and small due to the fact that the two ports are the cross-polarized and two feeding plates are positioned perpendicular to one another. To take advantage of the polarization variety, slot is curved onto the ground plane to separate the two feeding ports with a height of mm and a frequency range of around 2.1 to 2.9 GHz for the decibel. This single element PIFA is suited for the portable application. And then our project objective is to enhance the better stability, to improve the performance, to maintain the stability, design an antenna in a virtual environment. This is an implementation and this is a flow diagram. First we define the parameter of our designing antenna and then design it with each and every block and optimization process and analysis and performance result. In this only we got the electric field, magnetic field and the ear response and then how the frequency range is applied. This what we find in the performance result. This is the COMSOL. This is the COMSOL platform. Go to the file and open and go to your directory. Open the main code. This is the processed PIFA antenna. First step is the parameter importing by using the load from here dataset. Import the dataset and then go to the next one is the study. Add study. It's a frequency domain. And the next one is the step-by-step designing process. Go to the component and go to the geometry. This is our each and every block we design it. Here's the work plane and then radiating plane and then this is shorting plane and this is a port and then this is the form union. This is the material we add. First one is the air and this is the material we add from which domain we added the air and then we add the F4 and then copper and then finally and then we design the mesh. And so far only we calculate the frequency domain and then all the outputs. And here is our study one parameter. Once we executed, we got the output of this process. This is some mesh diagram and this is the radiating pattern and this is the gain and this is the radiation pattern, far field gain, and this is the radiation pattern. This is the radiation pattern and this is also radiation pattern and this is a gain graph. This is a we included two study, so two graph and then this is the radiation pattern of our process.